Steve Conley for It's About Belief. Hey, I wrote this belief idea a few days ago. It's titled, Let the Money Flow. And this is law of attraction. And believe me, there is a lot going on behind the scenes that we don't know about, okay? It's not our job to know about it. Our job is to simply get down here on the planet, flop around, figure out what it is we want and what it is we don't want. And once we figured out what we want, which in this video, it's going to be about the money. Okay, we want the money. So we've decided we want a lot of money or some money or this amount of money or whatever it is. So the formula is ask, it's given, and allow it. So we're just not allowing it. So here it is. Just let the money flow. There's nothing to do beyond asking for it. So there is no more action or energy required to manifest $1 million or 10 million or 100 million as there is a paperclip. Okay? It's the same. So what's the difference? So what is the difference? The difference is our beliefs. It's about belief.com, right? So it's about what we think we have to do to get 10 million or $100 million. And if we just relax and just let it show up, it will. The cool thing about it is it's much easier to do than people believe. So, I mean, I have one of these things that I do, which is, wonder where my next, and I fill in the blank, amount of money is coming from. And usually I fill in that blank and it's usually right. It shows up like that. So I'm filling in, naturally larger blanks. So I'm going to fill in the amount for my next paycheck, whatever it is. And these things, probably within my belief system, I have them centered around the activity that I'm doing the most. And I need to let go of that. I need to let go of that completely because it could come from anywhere, right? So I'm limiting the universe's ability to bring me, more cash flow. So, but being aware of that is a big thing. And that's what this video is about, to call everyone's attention, including mine, to remind myself and to everyone else who is interested that our beliefs are the only thing that is holding us off from having anything and everything that we might want. And so I just did a video a minute ago about what's holding you back. And in there I said, you don't have to necessarily believe it. You've asked for it, it's given, but you cannot disbelieve it. So as long as you just whimsically ask and let it go and forget about it without plotting and, thinking, well, I have to do this and how is it going to happen? As soon as you ask the question, how, then you're done. It's over, you're on the wrong track. You're on the wrong frequency to receiving. So you have to just stay within the frequency of having already received it. I love the way Neville Goddard talks about it. He says, think about it from already having that which you've asked for, not from the point of view of it's coming and it's over there and you're looking at it from another perspective. No, you already have received it, so you're in it and you have received it. So what is it like to have $100 million? Have you really got into that and decided what that feels like? Probably not, because I thought I had, and then I started digging into it and I said, wow, no, this feels different to have this kind of money. And so now I'm on a whole different idea of what those feelings are. So it's about belief. It's about belief.com. If you're already signed up for these belief ideas, great. If you're not, go to the website, scroll down, sign up. It's free. Every day I send out a belief idea. Sometimes there are videos that show up. Subscribe, of course, if you like this. And it naturally hit the like button and hit the bell so you'll get the new ones as they come up. So this is about how to make the money flow and make it easy, make it fun, and watch the results. Steve Conley, It's About Belief.